A total of 796 hectares of rubber plantations in Sarawak have been restored at a cost of about 4 million ringgit, benefiting 750 smallholders under the Abandoned Rubber Restoration Program, implemented by the Rubber Industry Smallholders Development Authority. Deputy Rural and Regional Development Minister Datuk Rubiah Wang said the program has brought significant benefits to rubber farmers through increased productivity, revenue regeneration, and the socio-economic strengthening of rural communities. Concerning the current status of the Abandoned Rubber Plantation Rehabilitation Program in Sarawak, Rubiah said,
Kementerian melalui SDA menyalurkan peruntukan seperti yang saya maklumkan tadi 3.3 juta bagi pemulihan kebun getah di negeri Sarawak yang meliputi 919 hektar dengan kadar 3,600 bagi setiap hektar. Peruntukan ini memastikan kerja-kerja pemulihan dijalankan secara terancang dan juga memberi manfaat secara langsung kepada pekebun-pekebun kecil.
Of the 3.3 million ringgit allocated, 553 hectares of rubber plantations have been restored this year, while 365 hectares are still undergoing restoration, involving 608 smallholders. This amount is part of the 38.2 million ringgit allocated for the Idle Rubber Restoration Program in 2025, which covers about 11,706 hectares nationwide.